Howdy, I'm the Cowgirl Attorney here today with my series on DUI, and today we're going to answer the question, exactly what are aggravating factors? You know, in some states they have added laws for aggravating factors. That means that if you commit one of these factors, your DUI penalties go up, and then you will be really aggravated. In a typical criminal trial, the jury determines your guilt or innocence, but the judge does the sentencing, and that's based on mandatory guidelines provided by the lawmakers in your state. If you have committed an aggravating factor, the penalty is going up. The judge is going to assess you with a higher fine, maybe double the jail time, and more community service. And although a community service might sound kind of nice, really you're just going to be on the side of the freeway picking up trash for weekends on end. Let me warn you about some common aggravating factors that will make your DUI penalties go up. Factor number 1, if you blow .15 on the breathalyzer. Remember, the national legal limit is .08. .15 is almost twice the legal limit. Factor number 2, if this is your second or third DUI, even though your first one was almost 10 years ago and you don't even remember it, the law never forgets. Factor number 3, if you are speeding or driving recklessly. Factor number 4, if you refuse to take a chemical test that the police officer orders you to take. Factor number 5, if you are driving and have an accident with someone younger than 13 in the car. In some states like Washington State, the policeman has to call the Child Protective Services, and someone else or some agency may be taking custody of your child. Factor number 6, if you damage someone else's property, and not just their car, if you run into their mailbox. Factor number 7, and this is the big one, if you injure another person, including folks in your own car while you are driving under the influence, your penalties are going through the roof. What are the punishments for aggravating factors? Well, the judge could order you to install an expensive, you pay for it, interlock ignition device, which locks up your car's ignition unless and until you provide a breath sample that's sober. The judge can also suspend your driver's license for years or revoke it entirely. Folks, these aggravating factors can bump your DUI charge up to a felony. That's felony with a capital F. You could be doing prison time. So ask yourself before you drink and drive, do I want to get F'd? Learn about the aggravating factors for DUI in your state by purchasing my Heads Up legal videos, available soon at cowgirlattorney.com. This is the Cowgirl Attorney. Know your rights and save your money.